Hi, boys and girls. I hope that you're all feeling well today. We're going to talk about vowel, consonant, E words today. So you are going to need a wipe-off board with a wipe-off marker and something to wipe off with, or you are going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So please pause the video and get what you have. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to write the word cake. So on your paper or on your whiteboard, please write the word cake. You can pause the video. All right, so the word cake is spelled K-A-K. And there is a silent E on the end. So this is where the vowel, consonant, E part comes in. Now, this E is silent. And what this E is doing is it is actually telling the other vowel in this word, the A, to say its name. So now this is pronounced K-A-K instead of cack, right? So go ahead and draw your arrow so that you can see that. All right, so if you have a whiteboard, you're going to erase each time we do a new word. If you have a piece of paper, you're just going to find another place on the paper to write the next word, okay? So here is your next word. Your next word is Steve. Now that is a name. My friend Steve and I went to the park. So go ahead and pause the video and write the word Steve. All right, so if we write Steve, that is a name. So we're starting with an uppercase S. I do not have a green marker, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a squiggly mark under it like that to show, okay, that's uppercase, right? Steve. And then a silent E on the end. And can you draw your arrow? Where would the arrow go? Think about what we did with cake. And now think about where your arrow would go on this word. It would go silent E to the vowel in the word Steve, because the silent E is making the E say its name. Okay? All right, time to erase or find a new spot on your paper. Can you write the word these? These marbles are shiny. These. Go ahead and pause the video and write these. All right, so if we're going to write these, we have something called a phonogram at the beginning of this word. And you're going to be watching a video in a little while that has a lot of phonograms in it for you to learn movements and sounds to. So with a phonogram, you have two letters that get together and make a new sound when they get together. So in the word these, we have the v sound. And when we have the v sound, very often that is T and H together, okay? So we don't say ta-ha, we say v or f. But in this word, it's v. So these. Now, this is a z sound, but it's actually the S that's making it. And then we have a silent E, okay? So can you draw your arrow? That's right. Your arrow would go silent E to the vowel in the middle of the word, like that. Okay, so draw your arrow in if you don't have that drawn in yet. And we're going to do one more word. You can erase or find a new spot on your paper. Can you write the name Eve? My friend Eve had a birthday. Eve. Go ahead and pause the video and write Eve. All right, so Eve is a name. So we're going to start with uppercase. I'll put my squiggle underneath. Eve. And then we have silent E. So this word only has vowel consonant E in it. It does not have anything over here at the beginning at all. So where would your arrow need to go? Can you draw it in? All right, so your arrow would need to go silent E over to this E, okay? Very good. All right, guys, we're all done for now with this. You can go on to your next assignment. Thank you. Bye.